What if I told you that the very concept of making a video is about to become obsolete? Forget cameras, forget editing software, forget spending weeks trying to get the lighting just right. I want you to imagine a different future. A future where your ideas are the only raw material you need. Where the complex, time-consuming, and often frustrating process of video creation is condensed into a single, effortless moment of pure inspiration. What if I told you that by 2026, a date that is rapidly approaching, this future won't just be possible, it will be the new standard. The power to create a viral video, a cinematic masterpiece, or a compelling marketing campaign could be as easy as just thinking about it. We're talking about a direct line from your imagination to a finished, polished, ready-to-publish video file. Like, literally, you have an idea, maybe scribbled on a napkin or just floating in your mind. You describe it to an AI, not with code, but with natural language. Give me a video about the Roman Empire's collapse, but make it feel like a modern political thriller. I need a deep, authoritative voiceover, a Hans Zimmer-style score, and make sure the visuals are historically accurate but cinematically stunning. And bam, a full-blown video is ready to upload. That sounds crazy, right? Like something pulled from a distant science fiction blockbuster. But the future is coming faster than you think. Think about the technological leaps of the last 2 decades. The smartphone in your pocket has more computing power than all of NASA had in 1969. The internet went from a niche academic project to the fundamental fabric of our society. AI is on that same exponential curve, but it's moving even faster, and the AI tools we're about to show you are going to completely change the game forever. These aren't just incremental updates, this is a paradigm shift. A revolution that will democratize creativity on a scale we've never seen before. We're not just talking about simple editing tricks or text-to-speech, those are already here. They're yesterday's news. We're talking about a new class of generative AI that understands narrative structure, cinematic language, and emotional pacing. AI that can direct, edit, and create entire videos from scratch. This isn't science fiction anymore, this is the new reality for creators. In this video, we're going to define the scope of this revolution. We'll start by counting down the top 10 groundbreaking AI video tools that are leading the charge, from Runway's Gen 3X to Google's Gemini Pro Studio. We'll dive deep into their most powerful features, showing you exactly how they work with real-world examples. We'll explore how an AI can act as your director, your editor, and even your B-roll camera crew. Then, we'll get practical. We'll discuss the critical ethical considerations and the importance of watermarking in this new landscape. And finally, we'll give you a complete creator workflow blueprint. A step-by-step guide to integrating these tools into your process, from the hardware you'll need to the time you'll save. This is your roadmap to the future of video, a future that starts right now. So, are you ready to see what's coming? Let's dive in. Kicking off our list is a tool that's less of a tool and more like an entire creative team in one app, Gemini Pro Studio. Now I know what you're thinking, we hear claims like that all the time, revolutionary, game-changing, all in one. But, stick with me. Because what Google is building here represents a fundamental shift in how we approach video creation, moving from a command-based relationship with our software to a truly collaborative one. Imagine having an assistant that's a scriptwriter, a cinematographer, and a video editor all at once. That's the promise of Gemini. It's not just about automating tedious tasks, though it does that brilliantly. It's about having a creative partner that can understand the behind your project, a co-director that can offer suggestions, challenge your ideas, and help you discover creative avenues you might never have considered on your own. The magic behind this is that it's built on Google's most powerful multimodal AI. This is the key differentiator. It doesn't just process different types of media, it understands them simultaneously, in context. It sees the relationship between the words in your script, the emotion in a piece of music, the composition of a shot, and the pacing of your edit. This means you can communicate with it naturally. You can literally talk to it, show it a picture, play it a sound. And it understands, gets what you're trying to create. For example, you could upload a photo of a moody, rain-slicked city street at night and say, generate a script for a short detective noir film inspired by this image. Gemini won't just see pixels, it will understand the mood, the genre conventions, and the narrative potential locked within that single frame. And this collaborative spirit extends to your human team members. It's not just following commands, it's collaborating with you in real time, brainstorming and suggesting improvements on the fly. This is where Gemini Pro Studio truly begins to feel like a living, breathing production hub. Let's walk through 10 scenario. Imagine you're the director, working remotely with your editor, Sarah. You're reviewing the first cut. You feel a scene is dragging. You type a script change directly into the project's script panel. Let's make this chase scene more frantic. Your friend Sarah, miles away, instantly sees the video update on her timeline. The AI hasn't just swapped a clip, it's analyzed your intent, selected a more dynamic take from your available footage, and even tightened the cuts around it to increase the pace. Now, Sarah sees your change and thinks a new establishing shot would help. She finds a great clip on her local drive and drags it into the project. The moment she does, the AI automatically grades it to match the existing sequence. The warm, outdoor shot is instantly transformed to fit the cool, dramatic look of your film. Think about what this eliminates. No more massive file transfers. No more version conflicts or confusion over which cut is the latest one. No more, hey, can you send me that graded clip? It's all live, all synced, all in one place. This isn't just a time saver, it's a creativity enabler, keeping you and your team locked in the creative flow state. But the real standout, the feature that feels like it's from 5 years in the future, is the narrative engine. This is where Gemini transcends being an editor and becomes a true creative partner. You give it a simple premise. Let's use our example. A lonely lighthouse keeper discovers a mysterious object washed ashore. From that one sentence, it generates a potential story arc, a list of thematic questions to explore, a detailed shot list, and even a full first draft script. It doesn't just write dialogue, it structures the entire narrative. It optimizes for pacing, suggesting where to build tension, where to place a moment of quiet reflection, and how to arrange your emotional beats for maximum impact. It's like having a seasoned producer whispering in your ear, guiding you toward a more compelling story. You can then take this foundation and mold it, rewrite it, and make it your own, but the initial creative inertia is completely overcome. Now, let's be realistic. Is it perfect? No. Gemini Pro Studio is a powerful collaborator, but it's not a replacement for human creativity and judgment. Its understanding of deep, nuanced human emotion can sometimes be superficial. It might suggest a technically correct but emotionally hollow performance cue. Complex artistic cinematography, the kind that breaks rules intentionally, is still the domain of a human DP. And critically, like all generative AI, it can hallucinate or present information that needs to be fact-checked, especially when generating scripts based on historical or factual topics. Think of it as the world's most brilliant intern. It does incredible work, but you still need to be the final arbiter of quality and truth. So, what does access to this co-director cost? Google is employing a tiered model. There's a free tier which is great for experimentation, but it's typically limited in terms of export resolution and the number of projects you can create. The creator tier, aimed at individuals and small teams, unlocks higher resolution exports, more storage, and full access to features like the narrative engine for a monthly subscription. For larger organizations, a studio or enterprise plan offers advanced collaboration controls, dedicated support, and enhanced security. The pricing is competitive, positioning it as a premium tool, but the value proposition is clear. You're not just paying for software, you're investing in a streamlined, supercharged creative workflow. For solo creators, it could mean producing content at the scale of a small studio. For studios, it could mean radically accelerating your production pipeline. Next up, the heavyweight champion, Runway Gen 3X. Gen 3X creates stunning photoreal video from nothing. Detail, motion consistency, physics, practically indistinguishable from real footage. Character lock maintains appearance, movement, and expressions across scenes. Replace your messy room with a studio, a city street, even Mars, matching lighting and perspective. Film on a blank wall. Generate Eiffel Tower. Great Wall. Amazon. Place yourself in each scene. Create a digital version of yourself hiking. Cinematic $1 million look. From a laptop. That's why Gen 3X is unbelievably powerful. At number 3, Synthesia. Next, ultra-realistic presenters with emotion and personality. Choose an avatar or create your digital twin. Likeness, voice, mannerisms captured. One click, fluent Spanish, Japanese, or German with perfect lip sync. No setups, no reshoots. Just type and render. Teach with an Einstein avatar. narrate history with Caesar, run multi-avatar scenes, generate a 100-part series in a day, fix lines by editing text only. Speed and scale impossible for human-only teams. Number 4. Descript AI Director. Edit by editing words. Start with a script. AI builds the cut, finds stock, images, B-roll, even generates missing visuals. AutoCut makes intelligent edits from raw, uploads from multiple angles. AI cuts to who's talking, goes wide for emphasis, holds reactions. Comments become commands. /AI add B-roll. Placed on the timeline for review. Weekly show, upload, transcribe, multicam cut. Assistant cleans filler. Producer issues AI commands. Rough cut ready in an hour. Collaboration baked in at the script level. Chapter 5. Pictory AI 2026 turns one long video into dozens of viral shorts. It listens, understands context, and pulls out high-energy, emotional, and viral-worthy moments. Auto-reframes for TikTok, keeps the subject centered, adds bold animated captions, a catchy top title, and platform-specific hashtags. Upload. AI finds 15 nuggets. Auto makes vertical shorts with motion captions. You review and schedule across platforms. Your reach explodes. Traffic returns to the main episode. All in about 10 minutes. That's how you win 2026. Chapter 6. LumenFive, the social media video wizard. In a world where social feeds are overwhelmingly saturated, creating video content that not only gets noticed but also delivers measurable results is the ultimate challenge for marketers. The old model of guessing what might work, spending a week on a single video and hoping for the best, is broken. LumenFive enters the scene with a radical proposition. What if creativity was guided by data? This platform is built from the ground up for social-first video marketing, and its entire brain is guided by performance data from literally millions of video posts across every major platform. It's not just a video editor, it's a strategic partner that has analyzed what makes people stop, watch, and act. It understands the nuances of different platforms, the psychology of the scroll, and the precise ingredients that turn a passive view into an active engagement. This data-centric philosophy starts with its templates. When you go to pick a template in LumenFive, you're not just choosing a design you like, you're choosing a battle-tested format, a proven framework for attention. The platform will show you templates that are statistically proven to stop the scroll and drive engagement within your specific industry, or for your specific goal, whether that's brand awareness, lead generation, or direct sales. It will tell you a template works citing data on average watch times and click-through rates, but it goes a step further with predictive A/B testing. Before you even publish, you can generate creative variations, different hooks, different imagery, different text overlays, and the AI will predict which version is most likely to resonate with your audience, saving you weeks of manual testing and wasted ad spend. It's like having a focus group of millions at your fingertips, giving you the confidence that your creative choices are backed by a statistical advantage. Once you have your core creative, the next hurdle is adapting it for the fragmented social landscape. A video for a YouTube pre-roll ad is fundamentally different from one for an Instagram story or a LinkedIn feed. Manually re-editing for each format is tedious and time-consuming. This is where LumenFive's Chameleon AI comes in. With a single click, it intelligently rearranges your text, your media, and your brand logos to perfectly fit each aspect ratio. This isn't just a simple crop and resize. The AI understands composition. It ensures your logo is never awkwardly cut off. Your text remains legible and aesthetically placed, and the key action in your video stays in focus, whether it's a 9:16 vertical, a 1.1 square, or a classic 16.9 landscape. This feature alone can save a marketing team dozens of hours a month, ensuring brand consistency and optimal viewing experience across every single channel, effortlessly. The intelligence deepens when you connect your accounts. By granting LumenFive access to your social media analytics and website data, you activate its learning engine. It moves beyond general best practices and starts providing hyper-personalized recommendations. It learns who your specific audience is, what they've responded to in the past, and how they behave. Based on this, the AI will proactively suggest the optimal video length to maintain their attention, propose opening hooks that have proven effective with similar demographics, and, most critically, recommend the perfect call to action, or CTA, to achieve your campaign goals. It might suggest a learn more CTA for a top-of-funnel blog promotion, but a shop now for a product-focused video targeted at previous website visitors. Let's see this in action with a common marketing task, turning a blog post into a promotional video. Your company just published an article titled, 5 Ways to Perfect Your Morning Coffee Routine. Instead of starting from scratch, you simply paste the blog's URL into LumenFive. The AI instantly gets to work. Using natural language processing, it reads and understands the article, automatically extracting the 5 key points. Simultaneously, its media engine performs a semantic search of its vast library, finding high-quality relevant video clips, steaming coffee, espresso pours, people enjoying a morning cup. It then takes those extracted points and matched clips, and instantly builds a draft video using a fast-paced, engaging template. From there, you can regenerate square and vertical versions with one click, ready for Instagram and TikTok. What used to be a half-day project is now a 2-minute automated workflow. But the magic doesn't stop there. Remember the connected account data? LumenFive analyzes audience retention patterns from your past videos and identifies the moment of maximum impact. The point in a video where your audience is most engaged and least likely to drop off. For our coffee video, it might determine that at the 15-second mark, after showcasing the third tip, viewer attention is at its peak. So, it automatically places your Shop Now CTA for your new coffee blend at precisely that moment, maximizing the probability of a click. This is the pinnacle of data-driven creative. It's not just about making a pretty video, it's about engineering a video for a specific business outcome. The result, you can ideate, create, optimize, and launch a multi-platform video campaign in under 20 minutes. LumenFive effectively merges 2 critical marketing roles into one seamless platform. It's like having a data scientist who can analyze millions of data points to tell you exactly what will work, and a world-class creative director who can execute that vision beautifully and at scale. For any brand or creator serious about winning on social media, it's not just a tool, it's an essential competitive advantage. Chapter 7. Elara. Agent, an autonomous creative agent you brief like a new hire. Give a goal, it researches, writes, generates video, thumbnail, metadata, and schedules. It orchestrates best-in-class models under the hood so you don't juggle tools. Ask, what's this week's video? It replies with status. Script done, voiceover generating. Spin up channels, science, history, tech. Generate 3 shorts daily per topic. Approve drafts once a day. Run 5 channels at once. Focus on strategy, not production. Hands-off production, redefined. Chapter 8, StableVideo 2.0, high-quality, controllable art in motion. Early AI had wobble and boil. 2.0 delivers smooth, logical movement and temporal consistency. Physics feel right, arcs, squash, stretch, direct with camera prompts, pan left or dolly zoom. Scene prompts create dozens of beautiful variations to choose from. Ethical safeguards and stable signature cryptographic watermarking built in. Assemble scenes into a breathtaking short on one computer. Chapter 9. ReelCraft AI. A specialist surgeon for short form. It tracks trending audio, meme formats, challenges, and visual styles. Drop clips into a trending template. AI cuts on beat, suggests viral text overlays, write caption, auto hashtags, pick the trending sound and schedule directly via APIs. A creator films 2 takes. ReelCraft edits to trending audio with perfect beat cuts. Posts simultaneously to TikTok, Shorts, and Reels, under 5 minutes, engineered for shareability. Chapter 10. NovaNarrator. Ultra-real voiceovers with inflection, emotion, and nuance. Excited, somber, curious, authoritative, breaths and pauses included. Clone your voice in English. Generate flawless French with your tone and cadence. It reads meaning and follows cues like excited or whispering. Turn podcasts or books into broadcast-quality narration. Pipe narration plus text into Pictory, LumenFive. Visuals auto-match voice. Build faceless channels, documentaries, and explainers at scale. No voice actors needed. So there you have it. 10 AI tools not just changing the game, creating a new one. Budget, gear, and technical limits are fading. The only limit will be your imagination. Become a master of prompting, an orchestrator of AIs, a creative director for your digital team. Start now. Try the free versions. Play. Break. Understand. Thank you for watching. If this blew your mind, subscribe so you don't miss what's next. The future is here, and we're just getting started.